What about like artificial intelligence? Is that to you like a buzzword? Is it on our radar at all? Welcome everyone to our new show format on our channel. It is so new, in fact, that we don't even have a name for it yet. And you can help us out with that by making some suggestions in the comments below. The idea is that we here at Pester, we have some people with great industry knowledge, a lot of experience, and we thought, hey, it would be great to interview them and find out more from them. So that's what we're gonna do, but we wanna keep it interesting. So we decided, and because we're geeks here at Pester, we wanted to do some retro gaming at the same time. So that's what we're gonna do, and our first guest for this format is Daniel Zobel. Hi Daniel, welcome to the show.
Good to be here.
Our brand new show. So, Daniel, what do you do here at Pester?
I came to the company 9 years ago. Was employee number 17, and as you can imagine, I've done a lot of different jobs here.
I can imagine.
I am in the product management team here.
Okay.
So we try to find the things our customers actually need.
More importantly than that is, what is your video gaming history?
Actually, I played a bit of California games on my C64, but I heard we're gonna play some fighting games, and I have to admit I do not have so much experience with that.
Well, this is not California games. We're gonna be playing actually something on the PlayStation 1. So we have a PlayStation 1 console here, the real console, not the classic reintroduction from Sony. This is the real PlayStation 1 console.
Wow.
And we also have this bad boy, CRT TV.
I can remember that one. I had exactly the same, I think.
The same as this one? Mm-hmm. Okay.
And I can remember the sound it makes when you switch it on.
So let's turn this bad boy on. All right, and the game that we're going to be playing on the PlayStation 1 is Tekken 3. Yeah? Did you play it? You ever play it?
A bit.
Right, so let's get this thing in. And there he goes. I think it's on already. Is it on? That looks promising. That doesn't look promising, does it? Can you remember how to set the setting on these things? Let's reset. What is going on here? Long loading screens. This is awkward. All right.
I feel very retro already.
Yeah, very, very retro. So, speaking of retro, you've been around in network monitoring for a while, haven't you?
Yeah, if you say Pester is network monitoring in general, I've been around there for 9 years now.
Okay.
But I think no one in the company has been actually around for network monitoring specifically before.
Okay.
Because it's a very specific area, but a lot of us come with an IT background.
Right. Okay. Yeah. And your background is IT.
I worked as an IT administrator as well.
Okay.
Before starting here.
So, and I mean, I guess like since 1998, video games have changed hugely. In network monitoring, how would you say it's changed? Has it changed dramatically?
I think the entire IT industry changed so rapidly, and a lot of things have changed, of course. I can remember back then, I was an administrator for a lot of satellite offices, and none of them had a network monitoring or a constant internet connection, because back these days, internet connections for the offices were just about to be deployed. And I wish I had such kind of thing as network monitoring to see what's wrong in the offices. Instead, they called and they said, something is broken, please come by and fix it. Then you had to go there and then see what's wrong and buy some parts in a electronics store nearby, because you didn't have anything with you that was necessary to fix some things on the server or something. So
let's have a few rounds to start off.
Okay.
So who am I gonna be? Who are you gonna be?
Yoshimitsu.
Okay, I'm gonna start off with Horang. Oh, no. Oh, yay! All right, we got it working. Okay, so, oh shit. Excuse me. Hope my kids don't watch this. All right, so Do you know the buttons? What are you doing?
Well,
okay, so
I kind of know them.
Okay, I see you got that. No more help. No more help from me. What? I can't get to you. Oh, okay, come. You come to me. No, that's a little unfair. Okay. So basically, what that match consisted of was me running into your foot. Pretty.
Well,
actually, this for a game made in 1997, this still holds up pretty well. I would think. I mean, yeah, a lot has changed in video gaming since this game came out. It's a lot like IT. I guess a lot has changed. But what has stayed the same in IT? Would you say?
Well, for example, monitoring using the SNMP protocol, something which
good old
is
SNMP, yeah.
really old, and we still see our customers using it widely through all the installations we have out there. Nearly all of our users use SNMP to query data from their devices because all the devices in the network still support SNMP.
It's what's supported by almost every manufacturer, right?
Right.
Are they starting to move away from SNMP support?
We see REST interfaces that return some kind of JSON, of course, but most devices I still see on the market are at least in a hybrid mode, so they still support SNMP. And the interesting thing is SNMP has different versions, like version 2, version 1 and 3, the encrypted variant of SNMP, of course. And we see most people using the unencrypted version of SNMP even in their local networks because of performance reasons. I think.
Oh, that's a little worrying. Okay, so Daniel, I think we need a rematch here.
Okay.
Who are you going to be? That's the question.
I'll be Jin.
I'll be Nina. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Okay. Not cool. Oh! I see,
special move.
I see you found the special move.
I have no idea how I did that.
Oh yeah.
Whoa.
I don't know how I did that either. Oh, look what she can do. I gotta watch out that I'm getting hit in the face by your controller. 13 seconds left. Never mind. KO. So you mentioned SNMP earlier, but what are your predictions for, let's say, monitoring in general for the next few years?
Apparently, IT is moving into the cloud more and more. And the challenge for us as a monitoring software vendor is to guide our customers through this transformation they are going through, so they don't lose their monitoring when they go into the cloud with their services, with their machines. So we want to be with them
in the cloud.
In the cloud.
Helping them monitor their installations in the cloud.
And we know that monitoring needs are a bit different in the cloud because it's probably more service oriented. You want to know if your service is up and running. Do not care so much about the performance metrics, so needs shift a bit, but at the end it's still monitoring, and we want to guide our users into the cloud with PHG.
Cool. What about like artificial intelligence? Is that to you like a buzzword when it comes to monitoring? Is it something that could help? Is it on our radar at all?
Well, it's a wide area, and it is definitely a buzzword. But we are also looking into how it can help analyze the monitoring data. Of course.
Yeah, we had some sessions a while ago with machine learning in house, I think.
Right. Yeah. To get to learn the mythologies behind that and to learn more about that. But to be honest, there are no concrete plans at the moment to integrate some kind of these things. But we're learning in that area as well.
Yeah. I think everyone is, but we have a few years before the robots can do our monitoring for us. Let's play! Enough talking. Who am I gonna be? Who are you gonna be? I will be Eddie Gordo. No, you can't be Eddie Gordo. Okay, you can be Eddie Gordo if you want. You wanna be Eddie Gordo?
Yoshimitsu.
All right, Yoshimitsu against Eddie Gordo. So Eddie Gordo had a stigma attached to him back in the days when I used to play on the PlayStation 1, because think you have to press X. I have to press X. Sorry.
I did.
Because he's one of the most powerful characters in the game. So whenever you went, and his capoeira style
Yeah.
is so good, and he has the best combinations. So whenever you went and played with Eddie Gordo at someone's house, they would be like, "Come on, that's not even fair." Okay, I need to stop running into your feet. Oh, you have a sword.
I don't really know how I did that, but it doesn't matter at the end.
Apparently not, Daniel. So working in software, we've spoken a bit about network monitoring. Obviously, we're a software company at the end of the day. What are the biggest challenges that you see working in software, providing software for customers like we do here?
I think there are two main challenges that we are facing. One is, we already talked about that IT is constantly changing, so you never know what's ahead, but you know there's change ahead. That's the only sure thing. So the challenge is to go with our customers with the change and not be too far ahead, not behind, but keep pace with the monitoring needs our customers have. And the other thing is we have 200,000 customers out there. And with every change we introduce to POTG, we do not want to increase complexity in the usage of our software, but we still want to provide everything our customers need. So it's a constant challenge to find a balance between not making something too complex, but providing everything they need.
Yeah, I find that quite interesting because you don't want to be too innovative and too far ahead, because then you're providing things that they don't necessarily need to use or understand or whatever, but you also don't want to lag behind. Oh, that's interesting. And now, I suggest we're at 1-1 now, right? We're drawn at 1-1, so this is kind of the final.
Mm-hmm.
So select your character wisely. This is it. The last round. Yes. Oh, backbreaker. Okay. Nope. Yeah. What's that? Can you hear? All I hear is. Oh no. No, stop. Oh yeah. Oh. Woo! That was close. That was close. Daniel, it's been fun.
Well, congratulations.
Yeah, what can I say? Although I did play pretty badly for someone who used to play this game a lot. But you forget, the thing is you forget, like the analog sticks have now gone, the response time of the controllers is completely different. You just forget. Daniel, it's been a lot of fun talking to you today.
For me too.
Been a lot of fun playing Tekken against you. Probably because I won at the end. But yeah, thanks for joining us on our show, and thanks for watching. And if you want to see more, if you want to watch some of our other shows, we have Make a Monday show, we have Betty's IT Bits. Subscribe to the channel, click the little bell, and we'll look forward to seeing you soon.